We are learning to use Safari to search for extra information. Safari is an internet browser that allows you to search for information, and on your iPad it's this little icon here, so you need to find that on your iPad to be able to search for information on the internet. So once you click on the little icon for Safari, you'll get a screen come up where you can enter in what your search term is. So I've put in, I want to find out about how exercise is good for kids because I need more information about this in my speech. And then once you've entered in your search term and press return, it will come up with a screen like this where it starts to tell you some websites about your search term. And when you scroll down, you can see in blue it has different websites highlighted that you can click on to find information, and it might even have links to videos that you can click on to find out some information. So here I have a website that I've clicked on, and it's given me some information about why exercise is important for your child. Now what I need to do is to take this information and make sure I understand it and include that into my speech. So I'm going to read through it, and I'm only going to choose the bits of it that I actually understand what it means. So this first bit, it says it promotes healthy growth and development, and I know what healthy growth is, so I'm going to highlight that. That means we grow healthily. And here it says kids who exercise are more likely to keep exercising as adults, and I understand that. So I could include that information in my speech. The next part talks about achieving and maintaining a healthy weight, and then it's got this word here, and I don't know what that word is, so because I don't want to know what it means, I'm not going to include it into my speech. I'm only going to include words that I actually understand. So here it says regular exercise and a healthy diet can help to make sure that children are not overweight, and I understand what that means, so I can include those bits in my speech. The next bit here, it's got some words that I don't understand. I don't know what this big word here is, so I'm not going to include that in my speech. But if I read on, I can see that it says the heart is the most important muscle. I understand that. And regular exercise helps to stop your blood pressure being too high, and I know that means that your heart beats too fast, so I can include that in my speech. The next little bit here I'm going to have a look at and just highlight what I understand. So exercise improves your balance and how flexible you are and how strong you are. I understand those things, so I can include that in my speech. And this last paragraph here, it says that exercise helps with fine motor skills, and when I read on, if I don't know what fine motor skills are, I can read on, and it says fine motor skills involve use of muscles in hands, fingers and thumb, which are important for writing, reading and looking after yourself. So the things that I've highlighted, I can now use those in my speech. I can include them. So don't include any information that you don't understand. It has to be things that you understand what it means. Good luck with using Safari to help you get more information for your speech today.